What's going on, everybody? This is going to be another video of the 2008 Camry Sport Edition V6. The 2004 is right here. Start with the exterior, quick walk. Check out the wheels there, the brakes, trim lines. It's got a deck lid spoiler and dual exhaust. Check out the sides. Do a quick front walk here. See those cool headlights there. And we'll go ahead and check out the interior. Okay, so it's got leather interior and the seats are extremely hot. Okay, this car's equipped with a 2G RFE 3.5 liter V6 engine with 3 valves per cylinder, or 4 valves per cylinder, excuse me. It's a 24 valve V6. It produces 270 horsepower and 250 foot-pounds of torque. It has a JBL 8-speaker 450 watt audio system with 8 speakers, 2 tweeters, 2 in the doors, 2 in the back doors, and 2 combo subs in the back. It has a moonroof power and quite a large glove box. It has climate control, a fairly large center console with a moving tray that can also be removed, a power outlet with a receipt in it, apparently, cup holders, auxiliary with a power outlet there built into the car, and you can put your iPod in there and do that so it's hidden. Very handy. It's got a little tray there, mirror controls, door controls with automatic mirror, power locks, and it has, I think, 6 or 8 airbags. It has an airbag, SR5 airbag there, one on the steering wheel. It has a, let me see if I can get to that, a driver's knee airbag. It has rear side curtain airbags. And I think it has some in the center pillars here as well. Oh, it also has the whole deal there. Automatic mirror, compass, and great stereo. Very large back seat as well. I mean, you can fit 3 people back there comfortably. So, let's just take the key there. Put it to the on position. And we'll turn on the stereo. It also has steering wheel mounted volume, track, mode controls, and phone and hands-free. Cruise control. And I do not have an audio device on me and no CD, so I will put it on FM. And you can also do that. It has a 6-speed automatic transmission with sport shift mode. And what else is I going to show you guys? Oh, the hands-free system. Yeah, I'm going to turn that down quite a bit. Put it there. Okay. So you push the button. It also has, it's also Bluetooth enabled, and you push the hands-free button here. cancel.
Cancelled.
And there you go. So this is a very, very well built car. I really enjoy it a lot. It's got a great system. It's also quite warm today, and it's quite warm today. It doesn't want to focus on that. There we go, that's better. Okay, there's not a lot I can show you guys right now. I showed you guys everything in the car. It's got the recessed in the dashboard lighting there with the time. Can't see it because the sun is glaring it out. Yeah, you can't see that. I'm sorry. Oh, there it is. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, it's a really good car. It's quiet, great stereo. It's really fast. I mean, it's 5.5 to 6 seconds, 0 to 60. I mean, it's really, really quick. I can appreciate the power this car has. It's really, really nice. Oh, the other curtain airbags are right here in the front pillars. So, got those too. A lot of features on this car. It's really, really nice. I'll pop the hood and show you guys that. So this is the motor I was speaking about earlier. The 2GR-FE 3.5 liter V6. Very powerful engine. It's got a huge air intake here, and it has a lot. It just growls at you when you drive. It's a very well-made engine. Really good car. It's a 2GR-FE. 2GR-FE with a routing diagram, and yeah, it's very powerful. And that's the Camry. So hope you guys enjoy.